Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Crypto Princess. My today topics, my new project, and internet listings gets. My today, I am Crypto Princess. My today topics, and my today topics is my new project and inter listings get to list XPIN networks. XPIN for sport trading with a series of events including Scandy Drop, Alpha, Bound Drops, and Factor Trading Competition. Trading scale alpha, bound drops, and factor trading competitions, and Gateway launch XPIN for trading on 22 August 2025, and two rewards platform users XPIN networks. XPIN will factor the following events: Candy Drop, Alpha Bound Drops, and Factor Tradings competition. Join us and experiences it. Sport Tradings Gate well launched explains Sport Tradings on August 2025 at 4:40. On UTS XPIN deposit HTTP WTT and com account deposit expand tradings and link in Candy Drops 171 is Candy Drop over XPIN network trade to share to 14 and millions XBIN Evers Pride August 2025 and 31 August 2025 UTS Alpha Gate Alpha Points Airdrop XBIN Limited Time Claim Evers Time August 22 August 2025 and 23 August 2025 Bound Drops Gate Violet Bound Drop is one stop hub that gathers the most popular airdrop project, offering users a fast trace entry into interactive tasks. New airdrop launch XPIN networks trade to share the 10 log and expense XPIN inverse time and future trading computations. Unlock XPIN airdrop invite trade to win up to 14 lakh XPINs events time 1 September 2025 and 7 September 2025. Project introduced XPIN network leading TPNs project on BNB China diverse decentralized powered combinations infrastructure of pursuits of saintly and borderless phonetics with wireless is with unlocking space income opportunities by remaining out of the world's connect XPN is building the next generation decentralized operates network. There are maybe discrepancies between the original contacts in English and any translate versions. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information in case in discrepancies areas. Gate new estimates management is official live. Gate violates bound drops. Join the cheaper violates airdrop and their cheap tokens and gate away to crypto traders over 3500 cryptocurrencies safely queue and easily on gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 14% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate's official website. Download the Gate app iDesktops. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram's community to discuss trading topics. Uh, Engage without our global community for the last date insights, transparency, and security check our 100% proof. Open the links and Gate new assess management's official lives, Gate well bonus bond rates, and join the cheaper violates airdrop and share to 20,000 chase peers violate tokens and get complete uh, tally listings and buyback of 11 coins including SBR1 and SUAGENT and get lunch pool project all top towns stack USDT our town to calmates airdrop get alpha peaks trading competition phase trade to share and price pool get to list narrow chain near for sport tradings and lunch airdrops. Announcements and Gate 2025 July transparent report accurating leadership in the gold pelts in the crypto landscape. Gate join web accepted to discuss the future of the global crypto industry with VIP sites. And Gay Alpha Point System lunch drops rewards all the way. Gate the powers the token of love music festivals fracture decrep procreating and new ecosystems where web parent visits around 4 pairs odd awaits. Gate new assist management is official live. Gate complete all listings and buyback of 11 coins and try listings. Gate power the tokens. Gate launch pool project. Altitones stack USDT overtone to claim airdrops. The rewardings long gates protocols powered by all variables CUDIS trading computationals invitation contest and generators to win 10,000 rewards BIO fracture trading challenge check the in daily to claim up YLABs and join the open the candy drops and candy drop complete task to claims airdrops 2021.6 total participants and 641.4k total airdrops USDT out to Aaron. Project all trades and invites. Ethereum's is crypto print drop public airdrop 7.0 and sign up to participate and claim you are 1 Ethereum's and total airdrops 100 Ethereum's and market price total participants and airdrop types ends in FST freestyle classes. It is a critical Econ Rabowons on China farm sheets fast to global exports. Freestyle has always been more than uh, basketballs, if teams, lunches, and community. Totals airdrops and total participants airdrops and ends in XPIN Lens Explain Project BNB XPIN networks are leading different project and and pre-states and live lunches and community XPIN networks and XPIN networks are leading DPN's project on BNB China delivery decentralized powered communication infrastructure for secure efficiently and borderless connectives. Total airdrops and total participants airdrops types and join now TCM TCM is the world's first centralized IP governance protocols starting with the 65 classes IP from Japan. Code of Manage Osmes task to distribution of installs of properties and total airdrops and total participants, total come airdrops and ELP. Olympics is multi-China entertainment infrastructures designed to on border millions of people to craft to buy and millions of people to craft to buy brightness brands IP to web 3 and enabling developers to easily build and developers block China enables scale based on game accuracy the scores social platforms and violates total airdrops and participates. Alltown is the next generation's Web3 platform for the value growth of vertical collaborations. It's improved finance and bonds integrations blockchain technologies for digital ownership and data derivatives for engagements. Total airdrops and remains mine. Select the project you are instead is in and complete the interactives. Interactive task to earn candies. Complete interactive task. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn, and the better your chance of getting your drop rewards will be. And wait for your drops. Check the reward distribute status and wait for the airdrops. Facts. What is Candy Drops? Candy Drop is an airdrop company launched by Gate. User can earn candies by completing tasks such as participates in trading deposit, visiting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, increasing your chance of winning the airdrops rewards. How to earn candies? You can earn candies by completing designated tasks to candy drops. Task type include trading specified tokens, deposits, and more. Each complete task will grant you a certain amount unit of candies. How to verify the completions of the events task? After completions task, the platform will automatically verify it with recordings, menus, validation. You will see prompts once the task is successful completes and win well rewards be distributes reward will be distributes to winners get accounts within 14 working days after the event ends and can be viewed by in violates billings details. User must complete identify verification before claiming reward. Can the candies be accumulated for the next events? Candies are accessible to each events and cannot be agreed over the next ones. And open the Altitude the XPI on USDT, and altitude the XPI on market price, and LRC USDT minus 1.42%, GT USDT minus 3.66%, GT minus 3.63%, FLOC के plus 32.42%, SAROS plus 18.08%, HYPE plus 5.12%, QT plus 10.41%, and SPK plus 22.67%, and SPK and SPK plus 23.02%, MAV plus 3.48%, GS plus 4.47%, and BR plus 14.74%, PLUME plus 4.57%, and EPT plus 23 points. And PLUME plus minus 4.08%, EPT plus 23.86%, XPIN networks, and XPIN USDT 467.71K, and price 0.005363 USDT minus 25.88%, SUL USDT 482.63K, and current market price 0.04404 USDT, TRX YFL 486.93K USDT, and 2.968K USDT, and BSW USDT H 485.16K, and current market price 0.01700 USDT, and market price change minus 0.46%. SHX USDT 466.32K, and current market price is 0.026 to 96 USDT, and current market price change minus 3.99%. G3 USDT 534.86K, and current market price 0.005793 USDT, and market price change plus 12.46%. XPIN current market price 0.000543 USDT, and XPIN market price exchange minus 0.000171 USDT, and minus 24.91%, and XPIN 24 hours high market price is 0.000817 1 USDT, and and 24 hours low market price is 0. 0.000531 USDT, and XPIN 24 hours volumes 713.94 millions, and XPIN 24 hours turnover USDT 469.13K. In open exchange and ranking number, 2076 market cap. The total value of a cryptocurrency of a token current calculating and traded in the markets. Market cap is calculated by multiplying the current price by the calculating supply, 3.28 million USDT, and calculating supply. The unit of a cryptocurrency is a token that is current available and beginning traded in the markets. 6.00 BXPIN. Release dates, 21 August 2025. All times high market price. The price show reflects the all times high of the overall market. No specified to get 0.000845 place to get USU, and the all times low. The price show reflect the all times low of the value is the upward all market not specified to get. Uh, 0.00500 USDT maximum supply 100.00 by XPIN full dilated market cap. The potential market value of a project if all its cryptocurrencies or tokens we are in calculations 54.78 millions, and total supply. The total amount unit of a cryptocurrency or token that has been great or minus. The total amount unit of a cryptocurrencies or token that has been created or mined, including those that are log stacked or reserved, 100.00 billion XPIN. Market cap. This metric measures the perfections of a cryptocurrencies project. Total issue tokens that are current beginning traded in the markets. .00% number of holding address 50.00 K, listed CXs and 6 Polo algorithms, PEP 20 market sentiments, the overall attitudes of investors towards our cryptocurrencies, our tokens, natural and contract address. 06. The current data is sourced from third-party market websites. We do not generate its currency accuracy over time illness. Token information descriptions. Gate provides warehouse data relates to different crypto assets. The information comes from third-party market data platform. Accuracy and timeliness are not generated. Data is for reference only and should not be used as investment advice. Please verify independently. The following explain how Gate calculates key indicators. Calculating supply. Calculating supply displays calculating supply on Gate is sourced from one blockchain exports APIs with accessible calculations figures, regulatory updates from project teams. The third part trusted platform. This data is mainly used to calculate market cap or available token balance from logged address or automatically retrieved from blockchain explorer. Issue price reference to the interest listings price on global exchange if not official provided by the project. The opening price is used in states all times high and low. All times high and low price are calculating based on the weights average price accuracy global markets. This is not necessarily gates of one historicals. High and low gates specify all times high and low follows candlestick charts on our platform. Let's axis. This show how many centralized exchange around the world have listed the assets. XPIN networks and XPIN networks are leading DPN project on BNB China delivery, decentralized L-powered communications, infrastructure for secures efficiently and borderless, connectively with wireless coverage accuracy. 115 plus contracts and regulates XPIN globals uh, XCM's PowerLink and ALD and Feed introduced a new area of connective wheel unlock passive income opportunities by remaining how the world's connected XPIN building the next generation's decentralized operates network. Project reports, project introductions, tab DPN, XPIN network alleging DIPA expand project on BNB, China delivery, decentralized power communication infrastructure for secure, official and boundless connectivity. With wireless coverage, accuracy, 115 plus controls and regulars XPINs, global systems, power link and ALDNP introduced a no area of connectives wheel unlocking passive income opportunities by remaining how the world's connect XPIN is building the next generation decentralized operates network. Key member fundrates and link minus. This is order books. This and the red values market price is low and values decrease, and green values market price is high and values increase, and the section is buy integer price integer my units integer total price and click the option is buy XPIN. The section is sell integer price integer my units integer total price and click the option is buy sell and XPIN. And open the charts on open the scales on open the charts and green candle and click the scale 0.00000000 and 0 USD 0.00%, 0 BRS value 173.022 millions and 22 against 20,025 and open your market price 0.0005005 USDT and close up market price 0.000531 USDT and the next green candles on open your market price 0.000538 USDT and close up market price 0.005413 USDT. The next green candles on the next green candles on 0.005398 USDT and close of market price 0.00555 for USDT, and the next green candles on open your market price is 0.000050 USDT and close of market price 0.00005917 USDT. And the green candles on and the green candles on and open your market price 0.0005479 USDT and close up market price 0.000544 USDT. And the next green candles on 24 August 2025, and open your market price is 0.0056650 USDT and close up market price is 0.000648 USDT. The next red candles on open your market price 0.00006494 USDT and close up market price 0.000626 USDT. And the next red candles on open your market price is 0.000626 USDT and close up market price 0.000532 USDT. The next green candles on 24 August 2025, and open your market price 0.000517 USDT and close the market price 0.000569 USDT. The next green candles on open your market price 0.000687 USDT and close the market price 0.00 0.000539 USDT. The next green candles will open your market price is 0.000630 USDT and close the market price 0.000639 USDT. And the next green can close up my the next green candles on 0.00066362 USDT and close up market price 6.00066606 USDT. And the next green candles on open 24 August 2025 and open your market price 0.006606 USDT and close up market price is 0.000715 USDT. And the next green candles on open your market price is 0.00 and open your market price is 0.0000717 USDT and close up market price 0.000731 USDT. The next red candles on 24 August 2025 and open your market price 0.000734 USDT and close up market price 0.00062828 USDT. The next red candles on open your market price 0.000680 28 USDT and close the market price is 0.006473 USDT. And click the resistance line. Resistance lines on and open the scales on plastics. Uh, Quartz and the sporting line. Voting line and declaratives with centralized open source with and and the next green candles on sporting line and mm, uptrends and downtrends. Market price is down and testing scope uptrends. And the next green candles on open your market price is 0 points and click the scales 0.00000 0 USDT 0.00%, 0 BRS value 51.26 millions and open your market price 0.0006 406 USDT and close up market price 0.00683 USDT. The next red candles on open your market price 0.000685 USDT and close the market price 0.0000 for 6 USDT. And the next green candles on open your market price 0.000747 USDT and close the market price 0.000739 USDT. The next red candles on open your market price is 0.000741 USDT and close up market price 0.007192 USDT. The next red candles on open your market price is 0.00 USDT 0.7221 USDT and close up market price 0.000710 USDT and scales on declarative simple irons and lunch pools and cube stacking era potentials new tokens and 95.94 million cumulative airdrops and 486.39k estimates total rewards and funds raised 38.86 billion participate 6 million ethereum about lunch pools all organs upcomings and redcoins rewards bitcoins pool gt bulls raking coins uh, pools lunch pools racking redcoins lunch pools and okay ethereum is market price is down and holder airdrops holder airdrops gt and get massive airdrop for free airdrops receive 0 and call native airdrop 296.65 millions and 11 millions plus hmm, no project this is no project in holder airdrops now try launch pools log bitcoin gt redcoins to get redcoins airdrop with up to 675.07% participates fst intels and total airdrops 1,15,000 FST pairs and tradings and altcoins. The overall explains how to participate in the older airdrop and as long you are declaratives declaratives with decentralized open source with So, how to participate in the holders' airdrops? As long as your GT holdings in Gates accounts is no less than, you can participate and receive airdrops without racking stacking GT. In which account GT holdings will be including in the calculations? GT tokens holdings as unfilled accounts, spot accounts, and losses margins account, copy tradings account, postage accounts, fencicles account, and payments account. Axo leadings GT tokens too, and get tokens in crypto loan and launchpad. Um, how is your airdrops my unit calculates? Once you are join the project, the system will track your GT holdings by tracking multiply random snapshots every hours to calculate your average holdings. Your final reward is based on your average holdings during the entry project period. Hi everyone. So you can see if your average holding are below 1 GTs, you will not receive any reward. Finally, token receives your average. Your holding all participates average Harvard holdings. And कभी मैं बात भी नहीं कर सकती sitting no everything. And what is GT per GT? Per GT is an estimates value indicate the number of airdrops token. And why are my holding account difference accuracy project the system user random snapshot to calculate your average hourly holdings deposits and on your join each project the calculate average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holdings unit remain consistent, your average hourly loadings should be the same accuracy all project you participate in. What is the individuals participates cap? Different projects have different individuals participate limited. You can check the details by a page or the events announcement for more information. Can participants in multiply project you can participate in multiply projects how well the airdrops reward distributes the airdrops will be calculated and distributes within a 1 hours after the project ends. You can check and emails lunch pool our edit boards and launchpad. Lunch pads and declaratives with decentralized open source and blockchain discretes declaratives with most importance and and declaratives with decentralized on open source blockchain and web bound rates and collective candies to iron airdrops and calculates by decentralized open source and calculating with metrics and declares open source with years official websites and simple iron and districts with quotations and declaratives and decentralized calculated by multiplying the networks and decombinates with decentralized declaratives with open markets and sentiments overall attitudes of open source blockchain declaratives with decentralized open source and the new projects and calculating with very well accuracy and the open your market price in 0.00% 0 PRS value. Boundary drops, populars, VIP airdrops projects all its in one place complete task to iron generate token reward and scan with your phones and updates. Unlock the power of web airdrops. A one stop for high potentials project high quality airdrop task accuracy marginal. China like Ethereum sports circles and based multi-China sports full ecosystem coverage. Reverses generates rewards. Airdrop reward come in all forms, tokens, NFTs, whitelist, and more. Beginners friendly and simple tasks, flexible tasks, simple stop. New to crypto, you can still join and claim your share of the rewards. Bounded drops highlights gate creates a wallet address, download the gate up and manuals. What is gate violates benefits and creates with the decentralized open source blockchain and declaratives with the merchants and gates well bounded drops aggregation the against the host website airdrop project by completing simple tasks such as following X account joinings, expands join community by using the app. User can earn rewards like cryptocurrencies, white spots. What are the requirements to participate in boundary tasks? Um, all gates all gates waits user are eligible to participate at no identify verifications or extra fees or records. However, please note that pertains on China opportunities main course gas fees your other network posts which are determined by the blockchain network and are not charged by us. What types of tasks are available on boundary drops? Tasks fall into covered categories. On China task integrates with blockchain applications using get wallets such as DX Trading or DeFi participates of China task following like returns on X, join Telegram, discoveries group, invites friends and more. Are the tasks difficult to complete for user new crypto? Not at all. Boundary drops tasks are simple and diverse. Every beginning can queue complete task and claim rewards. Does completing a task generates a reward? That depends on the specified rules of each airdrop project. Some use a first come first services or lottery based model. Please check the details task rules by the gates on my units page. Win will receive my reward after the project tains boundary drops will distributes reward as soon as possible. Eligible user you can check the reward states on the gate announcement page or under my rewards states trends or updates. How do I claim my reward? To claim your reward, simply visit the Gate Violet Bound Drops page, contact your wallets and claim your reward. And open the chats and declarators with decentralized open source and activities and active centers, big help centers and points, fact and horse airdrops and candy drops. What can do you make the decentralized open source and declaratives with how to backend your for your self services and please reset login passwords, change found passwords, edit phone numbers and addicts got artifactions, fact guides, community spots, factor, verify and ratings. Latest news, Gate Assess Management Provider Insolutional Greater Technical that improves physical installations found managers and family officials to optimize profiles managements with precision, efficiently and accessibility compared to tradings. Get complete details and buyback of 11 coins, including SBRI segments. Get complete retellings and buybacks of 11 coins, including SBRI and legends. And uh, Get lunch pool project or town task USDT town claim airdrops. Get lunch pool project or coin stack USDT town 12 crops. The rewards Logan Street's protocol powered by variables CUDS tradings computationals and WinUp collaboratings holdings the CUDIs tradings computational join right now and share the algorithms CUDS and declaratives. Referrals and referrals iron lectures invite to iron 20 plus 5 for your friends. Super commission earn up to 14% commission in very everyday rates. Trader get to iron export and loads up to 500 USDT rewards. Invite friends and iron up to 14 commissions iron together as your friends traders rules. Referrals code and referrals link invites now. Commissions for 13% your share. Friends you are invite 10% and share you are 13% alpha. Friend you are invite 10%. Factor 20 and friend you are invite share. Data overviews USDT and total reference. Total reference history, commission history, and referrals activities get to iron big rewards, lowers entries, and get to iron bigger reward, lower interest task. Invoice to friends 20 USDT each friends will receive 5 USDT and 20% GT post airdrop to carnivals. Invite friends win to post. Well caprices and data inventions invites your friends and click obtuse and 2000 GT post airdrops Carnival invites friends to win limited time prize and invites two friends parts referrals data overview last line force USDT referrals iron pictures super commission iron up to 14% get to up explorers and unlock up to 500 USDT rewards. Mm, invites friends and iron up to 14% commission iron together invites now gets to up reference code customer URSS and clip downloads reference code join get and share up to 14% commissions and iron together as your friends trades rules. Invite friends to sign up on Gate using your reference code or link. When a reference conduct a sport alpha factor or emergence trades pertain presentation of the trading fees. Generators will become a commission rewards and the commission period assessed for 1 year with invites for community share. Well also add on your commissions Reference data will be updated within 24 hours after successful invitation. Each user can only sign up through one invitation method. Invites with super commission are not eligible for rewards from other events. The reference program is not available to user from Belgium, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Turkey, Australia, and South Korea. Um, Gate services the final rights interruption the rules. Reference card and reference super commissions iron up to 14% commission every trade. USDT and adjust ratios and commissions parts. The updates commission updates our new address not affect exchange declaratives with 15% and more reference activities bounders. The Bounder Drops website, your project unlock the project's web form. Boundary drops factor are attitudes, decentralized, complete project tasks for a chance to widen your drops, rewards including cryptocurrencies and active whiteness spots and officials difference creatives. Reference officials website and clients super commissions and iron gear to iron calculates key to open the gates for up to 500 USDT invites now and gates tokens click the options was designates and opens key uh, practice key pieces for each friend invite how completes sign up and invite verification. Free each friendly invited who completes the first deposits for each friends invited who completed spot tradings of at least 2000 USDT. For each friends invited to complete structure tradings for at least 100 USDT. And 10 plus 10 for each friends invite to how completes alpha tradings of at last 100 USDT and fact of what rewards can be unlocked without with the key. USDT factor USDT factor which was say VIP plus one 20 points new listers on Gate and popular Muums phone. The price pool is updates daily and how to obtain key. In complete task to iron key pieces, complete task to multiply time allow you to collect more pieces every 100 pieces will automatically be combined into a key and distribute to your accounts. What is the voltage period of the key? Each key is voltage for 14 days from the combinations. After this periods, it will expire and become inverse. You need to use the key within 14 days to unlock the Gates prize pool and claim your reward, which will be distributed to your accounts immediately. Gate key cannot be returned once used. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gates tokens. Thank you, everyone. Follow me. Relatives with the decentralized open source and okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Good joint.